Get the fuck off that tractor.
I didn't know it was inverted. I thought it was.
Get your fucking ass out of here.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna call your Uncle Chris and fucking kick his fucking ass.
Don't tell him this happened. Don't tell him this happened.
Fucking go, god damn it.
Okay. Corey, come on, let's go.
Go. Get that goddamn camera.
I don't know what to do. What do you I have to pay for that?
Go. Get out. Just fucking get out.
Don't tell my Uncle Chris, please. I'm sorry. I swear to you. I swear I didn't mean to do that.
Stupid motherfucker, go.
Let's go. Oh, fuck.